Hanging in Nature with Professor Big Brain and Cupcake the cow. Today's topic, tigers. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world. Most recognizable for their dark vertical stripes on orange fur with a white underside. They range from 6 to 10 feet long and can weigh anywhere from 220 to 660 pounds.
Wow!
They live for about 25 years. Wild tigers live in Asia. Most populations inhabit tropical regions in countries such as Thailand, India, and Indonesia. Unlike domestic cats, tigers enjoy spending time playing in the water and love to swim. They can swim several miles for hours in search of prey. Tigers mostly hunt at night because they are nocturnal animals. This means they sleep during the day and are out and about at night. Tigers are mainly carnivores, but they will also eat soft grass, succulent plants, and fruits which supply vitamins and minerals to their diet. Let's learn our 3 facts for today. Number 1. Tigers are the largest cat species in the world. Number 2. Tigers love to swim. Number 3. Tigers are nocturnal.
That was a roaring good time, eh, Cupcake? If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the subscribe button above. And subscribe to our channel. Keep it positive for kids. Until then, this is Professor Big Brain with Cupcake the cow saying, have fun hanging in nature.